itaas nating antas ng sinasabing true blue ng mga journalists like us because we're proud to say that. Kahit na tingnan nyo ang laman ho ng aming social media, ganun din ang aming mga pages sa social media, we put yung true blue na tatako ng isang mamahayag na mula ho sa mainstream. Siguro akala ng iba na palibhasa, siguro nawalan ho ng respeto sa ibang mga media, ng ibang mga media kasi kaya mga kapatid natin sa industriya, not I'm doing a sermon but maybe nasasahanay na rin natin, ayusin natin kasi akala ng ibang nasa social media, ganun lang kadali, nag-media ka na, naglagay ka ng camera, nag-page ka na, and then sasabi, mapapalitan na rin mga journalist. Go to school first, study some more. Pareho lang yan. Kung hindi, kung palibhasa, nakakinig ka ng music, marunong ka ng kumembot-kembot, dancer ka na. Pwede nang palitan yung mga totoong dancer na talagang nag-aaral sa dance school, talagang alam yung sinasabing gracefulness ng katawan. Dahil marunong ka ng kumembot-kembot, okay na. Hindi ka, that's another story. Being a journalist, yung true blue, pinag-aaralan ho yan. May mga batas, the law of journalism and the ethics of journalism. Malalaman ho ninyo kung sino yung nakapag-aral at saka hindi. Hindi ko naman nilalait na lahat. Meron ho kasing iba na kahit hindi ho sila nagtapos ng journalism, iba ang course, but they're acting and even more better than those na true blue na nag-aral din eh. Kaya lang sa atin, boss, kaya ho topic natin dito kasi ang daming na ho kasi ngayon, wannabes that never was and never will be, na akala journalist na sila. Palibhasa, blogger, palibhasa, marunong na sila mag-Facebook, palibhasa, may mga page na sila, mga ek nilang pinagagawa. Papalitan na ho yung mga, kaya with a warning, sabagay, may punto rin naman siguro dahil lately, lalong-lalo na yung sinasabing mga people's journalism, yung style. Is there such thing as people's journalism? No, I don't think so. Let's be careful of the word journalist and journalism. Pag sinabing journalism and journalist, come on. Just because you know how to write, a journalist ka na. Just because you know how to speak, journalist ka na. You go to school and learn more about politics. You go to school and learn more about governance, and not only that, political science, and learn more about the arts, learn more about humanities, and learn many more, and learn everything that you can learn because with that, you can express anything. Wala kang pwedeng ipahayag sa sinasabing malayang mamamahayag other than that basura mga pinagsasabi. Now I'm hitting the people, wannabes that never was, that never will be, gustong maging journalist. What have you got to show? Total, sabi ko, sumasaltik-saltik tayo kahit sino, pwede kong saltikin din yung mga wannabes sa social media and then declaring themselves as journalists, go to school, because we're gonna laugh at you. And of course, we also respect the social media. The social media is there, but we put a little care na para baka mabansagan ka. Alam niyo kasi, yung sinasabing the perception is everything. What you see, what you do, what you say, what you do, and then what they feel, the thing na ginagawa mo, then makikita yung resulta. The sum total of that is, the perception on the basis of the results of what you did. Gets nyo? Yung mga wannabes journalists na mga social media lang, journalist na kayo, neck nyo.